Hey y'all, it's me Deja B and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I am going to be doing something that I usually would never do, okay? So I'm going to be doing a wash and go on this hair, okay? This is big hair days for no reason. So it's been about a week and a half-ish, maybe a little less, since I washed my hair. I basically had my hair in like 8 jumbo twists under a slap for like a whole week, and then I finally took them out and I wore it like in little crinkly twist texture for a day, and then I actually stretched it out using my red air, and I took my dog for a walk and it shrunk up a little bit because it's humid in North Carolina, duh. So it shrunk up a little bit, and then I just put it back under a slap and that shrunk it some more. So my hair isn't like super duper dry, but it could use some moisture, you feel me? This is all that's when I wash my hair. I can't remember if I put a leave-in in. I'm pretty sure I did, because I would usually put a leave-in in. If I did put the leave-in in, it was the Main Choice Proceed with Caution 4-way conditioner, and then I put some of this on it after I had stretched my hair. Come on, come on, come on. This is the Kinky Tresses hair butter. If you watch my channel, you know I live by it, okay? I live by it. So I'm going to be using a little bit more of this on my hair, and then I'm going to top it off with the Main Choice POW gel. It's POW stands for Products Obsessively Working. I actually did do a video using this product with the leave-in. I'll link it if I can find it, or if I remember, you feel me? I'm gonna put this on top. Honestly, I just grabbed a gel because I have like 5 the Main Choice gels, and I don't really have other gels from other companies. So if you guys have any gel recommendations, feel free to, you know, comment them down below, because I think I am now open to more gels. I've definitely used like different creams and butters and stuff from other companies, but I don't buy a lot of gels except for the ones from the Main Choice, because I know they work for me, you know? So, you know, you stick with what you know. So yeah, let's just get this started. So this is just a close look at my hair. Okay, so of course I have my scrunchies. I have 4 scrunchies. Don't know why I would need 4, but I do. And then I have my Mr. Spray bottle, my continuous spray bottle. And then of course those 2 products that I'm gonna use. And I also have my brush here on the side. I don't know if I'll be using it because my hair shouldn't be that tangled. You know, I just had it on the table. So yeah, I'm gonna get into this. So I'm just gonna, you know, go from start to finish, you feel me? Should I wet my whole head first? Or should I just go layer by layer? I'm gonna just spray my whole head. Yeah, I can feel the product activating on my hands actually, which is a good thing. This actually hurts. Spraying this hurts my hand. I do have a mild case of tendinitis, so gripping things really firmly for a long amount of time actually kind of hurts. Okay, baby, she coming, babe. She coming, babe. She coming, babe. Do y'all know who Tabitha Brown is? She the lady that be like, hello there. And every time I hear her voice in my head, it follows with, hello there. Merry Christmas, how you been? Y'all gotta tell me y'all know that song. She be like, gee whiz, it's Christmas. And that's just how my brain works. Songs always follow. Ooh. Okay. I think she is wet enough for the most part. And then I'll spray some more section by section, of course. Oh, the extra, the elastic just broke on that one. Okay. What else? Okay. Yeah, I don't think my hair is that tangled, but let me add some product first. All right, so I've gotten that hair butter. I've gotten the hair butter throughout this back section. Now I'm gonna go in with the Pow. Rub it in my hands, and then I'm going to rub it on my hair. Make sure you get those roots, because you don't want your roots to be puffy. It smells like candy. Tastes just like candy canes at Christmas. I'm gonna go in with the Kinky Tresses hair butter. I mean, it literally glides on like butter. Like, you know when you butter some warm bread? Butter, baby. It really like goes, it glides on your hair like that. I get why they call them hair butters now. That's probably not why, but I know I strongly recommend finger detangling, because you'll have less like damage and breakage that way. But I will say the one thing that is really beneficial about using a comb or a brush is that you don't have to have all the shed hair on your actual fingers. You don't have to take it off your fingers like all the time. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Pow gel. Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow. We used to say that all the time. Tasha Mizek. It's coming together, baby. It's coming together. I'm back. So, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna be undone. I feel like it's not as clean looking as I would want it to be, but it's not bad. I don't know. We're just gonna see how it looks when it dries. Okay, so it's the final countdown. Hey, hey, hey. That's with the hair butter. Now I'm going in with the Pow 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 gel. The Pow Pow Pow. Pew pew pew. It's a chopper. I may or may not have put too much gel on just now, but that's after the gel. This is actually probably only taking me about 30 minutes or so to do. Washing goes are quick and easy. Quick and easy. If you know what you're doing. If you need help, help like with your curls, your spirals forming at the ends, or if you want your hair to look a little bit more neat, then add water and smooth it. Raking it is just going to separate the hair. And this how you know I got too much product on my hair. So I'm just gonna pat it. Pat your weave, ladies. Pat, pat, pat your weave, ladies. Just dab, you know? Dab. Dab. Don't be doing no like super crazy stuff, because you don't want your hair to get frizzy. You know what? I need to start incorporating mousse into my washing goes, because they say that the mousse helps dry your hair faster. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I will come back when it's done. The sun done. Competition wise, yes, I would love some. Okay guys, so this is the final result, kind of. It's been like 2 or 3 days since I actually did my hair, so here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Still been good condition though. It's really soft. There wasn't any crunch. It actually got rained on a little bit, but it didn't really mess up like the curl pattern or anything. Really just kind of shrunk it up a little bit, and then of course banding stretches it back out. But yeah, look into my eyes, not at my eyebrows. Ooh-wee, 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 ooh-wee. Okay guys, tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you try this product combo, and like, comment, share, subscribe. If you made it this far and you're new here, you might as well go ahead and do the damn thing, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Peace.